Best Hybrid Cars 2022. The best hybrid vehicles incorporate an electric motor, an efficient gasoline engine, and a tiny battery that self-charges by producing energy when you brake. Vehicles that cost less to purchase, frequently not much more than a typical gasoline or diesel vehicle. For today's video, we will be talking about the best hybrid cars in 2022. Interested to know what these cars are? Just keep watching. Number 1. Toyota Corolla Hybrid. The bigger family-friendly alternative to the Yaris is the Toyota Corolla. Although it has a larger engine, either a 2.0 or 1.8 liter, the Toyota hybrid system technology is the same. The Corolla is still astounds with how frequently it can operate the EV mode despite being a heavier car with room for 5 and a large boot, plus touring sports and estate and saloon versions. It has respectable performance when gas mileage is less of an issue, especially the 2.0 liter, but you have to get used to the quirks of the CVT automatic gearbox. The newest Corolla has a sharp appearance and is much less forgettable than previous versions. It is also unquestionably one of the best hybrids available for family hatchbacks. Number 2. Renault Clio. The hybrid Renault Clio is a very recent addition. It makes use of a brand new technology called Renault E-Tech Hybrid, which the company created utilizing knowledge from the Formula 1 racing. The two-motor technology, which is similar to the Honda Jazz, enables the 1.6-liter engine to freely cut in and out whenever the car's artificial brain thinks it to be best. This, according to the Renault, increases immediateness and responsiveness when the engine is running while simultaneously extending the engine off potential. Other than that, it's the same Clio we all know and love, complete with sophisticated interior, attractive aesthetics, and excellent all-around utility. The Clio is a fun vehicle to drive, and it's even more alluring in its fuel-efficient hybrid form. Number 3. Honda Jazz. The Honda Jazz makes excellent use of hybrid technology. It has a clever two-motor arrangement that operates without a typical gearbox. Instead of driving the wheels, the engine drives a generator, which then delivers electricity to a drive motor running almost exclusively on electricity, especially in urban areas. According to Honda, between 0 and 25 miles per hour, 86% of driving will be done in electric mode. This ensures fantastic fuel efficiency, and the Jazz is also surprisingly quick. It rides well, feels upscale inside, and thanks to a novel windscreen pillar design, forward visibility is near panoramic. Even if it's not inexpensive, the most recent Honda Jazz is still one of the best hybrid vehicles on the market. Number 4. Ford Kuga Hybrid. Ford makes the Kuga available in conventional, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid configurations so it can accommodate any need. For those without access to home charging stations, the 190 horsepower 2.5-liter hybrid, an alternative to the Toyota RAV4 hybrid, is perfect. It greatly outperforms petrol Kuga in terms of fuel efficiency, averaging 50 miles per gallon in the official test while lowering CO2 emissions to 130 grams per kilometer. The new Kuga's curved design is elegant, and the CVT automatic gearbox makes driving it simple. This tall, small SUV's interior is incredibly spacious and functional, with lots of stylish and adaptable details. Ford only offers the hybrid in top-tier models, so equipment is also abundant. Number 5. Toyota Yaris Hybrid. The most recent Toyota Yaris Hybrid is a car that looks truly new and athletic. It is simple to mistake it for the Toyota GR Yaris hot hatchback at first glance due to its prominently flared wheels arches and discrete rear door handles. The hybrid, which boasts outstanding real-world economy, combines a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine with an electric motor and CVT automatic gearbox. Over 50% of a trip may easily be completed in electric mode, which has significant positive effects on fuel economy. Naturally, this Yaris hybrid is incredibly dependable and simple to drive for a Toyota, and practicality isn't too shabby given its somewhat small exterior proportions. Additionally, it is incredibly well crafted and has a durable air. Number 6. Lexus NX350H. The brand new Lexus NX is a very opulent, premium compact SUV that is available in 350h and 450h Plus plug-in hybrid versions. Due to superior hybrid technology, the 350h hybrid should still save fuel and reduce CO2 emissions during routine driving, even if it is more than £5,000 less expensive. The new NX's interior is comfortable and equipped with one of the most impressive infotainment systems available, and Lexus refinement and comfort are unmatched. Owners of the previous NX hybrid thought highly of it, and we anticipate the same for this model. Number 7. Renault Capture. In a slightly larger crossover SUV body, the Renault Capture E-Tech hybrid utilizes the same technology as the Clio E-Tech. The increased punch of the hybrid power is really even more beneficial in this bigger machine, and the option to run frequently without the engine should save monthly fuel costs. The Capture, one of the most well-liked small SUVs in Europe, has a spacious interior with clever design, is quiet to drive, and offers some cool configuration possibilities. Renault now has a plug-in hybrid Capture available if you want even more efficiency. Number 8. Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. There are 3 different types of electric vehicles available in the Hyundai Ioniq lineup: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and pure electric. The most affordable and complete range is the hybrid lineup, with sensible pricing assisting new car buyers in taking the wheel. The vehicle has a 141 horsepower engine and a 42 horsepower electric motor, and, when the situation warrants it, a self-charging 1.6 kWh battery that enables frequent operation of electricity alone. The engine will turn off, for instance, if you are coasting downhill. The Ioniq Hybrid is inexpensive on highways, thanks to its slick, aerodynamic form, and Hyundai's 5-year unlimited mileage guarantee provides further peace of mind. Number 9. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius is the archetypal hybrid, the shape that springs to mind when someone says hybrid automobile is older models. The look of this most recent model is a little bit more edgy, which may be why it isn't as well liked. Definitely not the hybrid technology itself. The Prius has CO2 emissions of just 94 grams per kilometer, which is incredibly low for a 5-door family-sized vehicle. Owners will get over 60 miles per gallon in regular driving, remember, without using any special tactics or plugging in. The most recent model of the Prius has a contemporary feel inside and is extremely refined when driving. And because of its outstanding reputation for dependability, retained values are excellent. Number 10. Kia Sportage Hybrid. Kia has offered the hybrid Niro for years, but is currently in the process of readying a replacement to launch this summer. In the meantime, it can at last offer a hybrid version of the Sportage, a very distinctive and modern-looking car. The new model aims to build on the fine reputation of the previous family SUV. The hybrid combines the 1.6-liter turbo petrol engine from the core Sportage with a small battery and hybrid drive system. It saves fuel in everyday driving without the extra hassle that comes with a plug-in hybrid. Because the battery pack is smaller, it's able to offer a larger boot than the new Sportage PHEV. So, which hybrid car caught your interest? And which car do you consider the best? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to MIA Luxury Cars for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video. Bye!